Dear viewers, today I was discussed about 5 food hacks to lose weight and boost immunity. Immunity has been one of the pinnacle searched key phrases on the net in the previous year. Apart from boosting immunity, human beings are additionally searching for approaches to shed greater kilos they have received all through the lockdown. We all understand ingesting proper and preserving a healthful lifestyle is a bedrock of sickness prevention and staying healthy. It's essential to devour a weight loss plan that helps in boosting immunity and additionally helps in managing weight whilst you work from home. Here is a listing of 5 food hacks that can assist you lose weight and increase your immunity at the equal time. Number 1. Golden milk. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant that is commonly used in all curry preparations. Apart from using it in curries, you can use it in smoothies and add it to your milk. Number 2. Cinnamon powder over fruits. Cinnamon powder is a superfood that can be found in every kitchen. You can use it as a coating over smoothies, fruits, milkshakes, and even green tea. Half teaspoon of freshly pounded cinnamon is effective in managing weight loss and boosting immunity. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar keeps you fuller for longer and prevents the body from overheating. It contains chlorogenic acid, an antioxidant which can help lower visceral fat. 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar diluted with water when taken before meals help prevent metabolic syndrome, thereby reducing obesity and managing weight. Number 4. Use garlic and dips to make chutney. Garlic has immune-enhancing effects and is a potent antimicrobial agent. The best way to consume it is to include it in chutneys, dips, and curries. It also has antiviral and antioxidants properties, all of which in turn work greatly in boosting immunity. Number 5. Cold-pressed virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil is vegan and has a heap of health benefits including weight management and immunity booster. Add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to your smoothie and salad bowl as a topping. You can also use virgin coconut oil for cooking, sauteing, and while baking vegan desserts. Some even like to consume 2 teaspoons of it every morning to kickstart the day.